Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix same game data fails in your PC and how to fix this up. So you just have to follow the instructions very carefully. I'm not wasting much time. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go to the start menu and you have to search for virus and threat protection, or you have to search for antivirus. Anything is fine. So just select this virus and threat protection. Then you just have to scroll down and you have to go for select manage ransomware protection. You have to click that. Then you just have to enable this. You have to make it on, then go for yes. Then you just have to click on allow an app through control folder access. You have to click that. Then you have to go for yes. Then you just have to click on add an allowed app. You just have to click on that, then go for browse all apps. Now you just have to select the respective folder, for you can see that it is a new volume D. You have to select it. Then just have to go for program files. Then you have to go for Epic Games. Then you have to go for Rocket League. Then you just have to go for binaries and Win64. You have to select and go for Rocket League. Right? So why I show it is because you have to follow the same instruction. So I just showed you once again. And once after that, you just have to open the game. You just have to click there. Then just have to close that. Then you just have to open the game once again. Library and launch the game, and most probably the error on when you're trying to save the game will be completely fixed. Failing when you're trying to save the game file is completely be fixed. So this is fixed. That's all about it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for more notifications. And if you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section where we and our team will get back to you. This is Shahin signing off from Guitar Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.